I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Apple Card. The Apple Card. All right, very generic packaging here. Take this, I'm trying to film. Sorry guys, I'm filming on the iPhone. I'm gonna open it slow. Yeah, I won't reveal my name. My full name at least. Everybody knows my first name. Boom. So it is definitely metal. It's got silver edging on the side here. In the back, Goldman Sachs MasterCard. And that's the same logo it has on your iPhone. I'll show you a picture of that. It looks on your iPhone. All right, pretty cool Apple Card. Haven't charged anything on it yet, but it's cool to have the first one, or the first generation. That's it. Oh, so to activate your card, I hold my iPhone near this. So how can I film and do this at the same time?